guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time, you are highly welcome. So guys, I want to prepare a simple things for you to prepare at home, very easy. Ciao ragazzi, benvenuti sul mio canale. Se oggi è la prima volta, benvenuta. Ragazzi, vuoi preparare pasta foglio con wuste, ok? Con Nutella e cocco. Ti fai vedere facile da fare. So guys, it's very easy to prepare. So I will put chocolate inside and the coconuts, this powder inside. So let me not waste your time. Let me show you what I'm going to use, ragazzi. I'm using this cream, okay, this particular chocolate, and I'm using this coconut, okay. So I'm using this type. I don't know if you can see it, guys. If you can see it well, yeah, fast. Okay, so I'm going to use hot dog, ragazzi, utilizza wuste. So this is the things that I'm going to use. So let me know what's your time. Let's have fun to prepare nice, delicious meal. Okay, so let's have fun. So guys, I use egg to rub it. Ragazzi, ho utilizzato un uovo. So I will take it to the oven for 180 degree for 15 minutes. So ragazzi, mi accende il forno per 180 per 15 minuti, ok? Me ne mette il forno e arrivo. So guys, see the finished off. So ecco ragazzi come carine, vedete? So very nice, okay? Okay, guys, I'm through with my nice preparation. Can't you see it? Very beautiful, guys. So you can use this maybe for birthday party. You can use it anytime at all to prepare. You can use it also for breakfast, guys. Ragazzi, è facile da preparare, puoi utilizzare per le compleanni, le feste, qualsiasi cosa, anche per merenda per i bambini. Allora, che cosa mi dite, guys? See, look at this one. So, it's very easy. Let me show you the one with coconut. Do you see it? Guys, if you test it, you will tell me how it look like. So, test it and tell me how it look like, okay? Guys, I'm not praising it because I prepare it myself. Prepare it and try it and give me your results down the comments, okay? So, guys, if you know that you are not yet subscribed for my YouTube channel, subscribe for my YouTube channel, hit the bell in case I upload new video, so you will be the first person to watch it, okay? So, you remember that I prepared two different types of this particular one with coconut, the other one without coconut. So guys, ragazzi, ecco tutto. Assaggia, mi dite che cosa pensate su questa ricetta, ragazzi. È facile da realizzare, so very easy. Se ancora non sei iscritto sul mio canale, iscrivi sul mio canale, clicca sul campanello in caso che fai un nuovo video, se è la prima da vedere, ok? Aiutami, iscrivete, per favore. So guys, subscribe. So have a nice day. Remain blessed, okay? Next time.